Wendy stock is making me the happiest I've been in 4 years. With that being said, check out this DD, all right? It is done by Derek Quick 1 on X. Make sure to follow him. Had an interesting day today, up 6% on the day, up 20 something percent on the week. Looking good. Before we get into that, check this out. This is from X. So, Wendy stock faces short squeeze speculation as brokers seek shares to loan amid high utilization. So, that comes from right here, Rhino Insight. Interactive Broker just emailed me asking if I want to lend out my WEN shares. Translation: shorts need supply. Here we go, man. Here we go. So this is the DD. Derek Quick. Make sure to follow him. He has a YouTube channel. Subscribe. Join his community. Check this out. I haven't seen somebody put this together as concisely and as accurate, and it makes a lot of sense to me. All right. So Wendy stock has had the highest weekly and monthly trading volume in its history. Nobody cared about my Wendy's thesis before the squeeze, and I'm sure most still don't. LOL. Squeeze hasn't started, by the way. These usually get 1/100th the reach or likes. Yet I believe this could turn into a multi-month move. With more than 33% of the float sold short, I think a lot of shorts could be forced to cover if momentum continues. Today's order flow continues to support that view. Retail volume was up roughly 130% versus its 30-day average during regular trading. Professional volume was up 107%. Institutional volume was up 95%, and pre-market institutional activity surged more than 1,000% above normal. 13D holder, so that's institutional money, and that is shown with this chart right here. All right, so there are some big players that are long Wendy's. All right, so I've talked about this before. Retail might just ride the coattails of institutions on the way up. All right, this isn't just one group buying. The institution and shorts also use puts today, about $10 million worth to hold it back. They didn't want it going over $8 because there were 10,000 OI at the $8 strike price. All right. Likely because shares are getting harder to find, and Wall Street Bets has been buying 0 day to expiration options, helping fuel the coming squeeze. People think this is just a Wall Street Bets meme pump and dump, but it's not. This stock, in my opinion, should have never been trading at the current 1994 valuation. I was two valuations that reflect a black swan event. The lowest U.S. cattle inventory in roughly 75 years and record beef prices, where Wendy's being never frozen U.S. beef has seen the biggest reaction. Those conditions have compressed margins across the industry. If that reverses over time, recently, cheaper oil prices, EOs on U.S. beef, imports, etc., I believe today's valuation could prove to be a golden swan opportunity. All right. with approximately 125% of the flow effectively locked up and two billionaire activist investors involved. By the way, Ren Tech is in this. Renaissance Technology, rest his soul, Jim Simons, one of the best to ever do it. Any updated 13D or additional accumulation could become a major catalyst. All right. This record volume and option flow also gives activists like Nelson Peltz and Perm Watsa, a recent buyer, Canadian Buffett, basically, give them both a better opportunity to continue accumulating shares in an already tight flow. Whether that ultimately leads to strategic changes, a larger stake, or a buyout remains to be seen, but I think the probability has increased. All right. Wendy's is not the only restaurant stock that has been hit hard. Jack is still down nearly 89% from its highs. The difference is that Wendy's continues to generate free cash flow, cost cutting, and is not facing the type of bankruptcy concerns often associated with deeply depressed stocks. This guy says he still owns his leaps, still owns his shares in his safe value portfolio. Folio. And then here we go. Wendy's has multiple billionaire investors, 13D holders. 13D is just a form you got to fill out when you buy a significant chunk of a stock, all right? In an already tight 125% owned float. Check out who owns this motherfucking stock, homie. All right. Tryon Fund Management, Fairfax, Harris Associates, Winston Group. We got Rentec, Jim Simons, one of the best to ever invest. You got Gotham Asset Management, Millennium, Jane Street, Citadel. You got Jefferies Financial, Vanguard, BlackRock, Sequoia, Ray Dalio, also one of the best to ever do it, and State Street. All right. This is like the majority of the stock is held in some of the smartest investors of all time. And then retail just piling on, buying options. I mean, volume precedes price. You saw it this week. Wendy's will squeeze. I love you.